We'll guide you through how to deploy your project to Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Once you're logged in, click on the New Project button on the dashboard. This will take you to a page where you can import your project from a Git repository. Choose the repository you want to deploy from the list of your connected Git accounts. After selecting the repository, Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using and set up the correct build settings for you. You can review these settings and make any necessary changes. If everything looks good, click the Deploy button at the bottom of the screen. Vercel will start the deployment process, and you'll be able to see the progress in real time. Once the deployment is complete, Vercel will provide you with a URL where your project is live. You can visit this URL to see your project in action. If you need to make changes or updates to your project, you can push the changes to your Git repository. Vercel will automatically trigger a redeployment with your updates. This seamless integration makes it incredibly easy to keep your project up to date. And there you have it. Your project is now live on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.